about time. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I at? Oh, I couldn't see. We gotta let it cool down now. I can't even see to flip around. We'll let her cool down a little bit and we'll go again later and try and pop them. Yeah, I'm gonna let the motor cool down. We'll see what they look like. We might get a couple rounds out of them, I don't know. I want to do donuts. I wonder if I got enough room right there to do. I don't think I do.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know about a donut.
I don't know about donuts either.
I mean, as far as swinging it, definitely.
Yeah. I just added a little more rubber. Oh yeah, that took them down a little bit. What's that side look like? Oh shit! That one's about to go. That one's definitely gonna pop. These are Bailey's rims, so if one pops, I have to stop. I can't fuck his rims up. Even though he told me to do it last time, I'm not gonna do it though. Oh yeah, look at that. The Ford's coming up, it looked like spaghetti. Hell yeah. It's got dreadlocks.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Hell yeah. Look at that. That was fun. Look, there's still smoke coming out of here. Look at that shit. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that one's gonna pop before this one does, for sure.
Oh, hell.
Yeah, that one's still got a lot of light. One was better than the other, so I knew one of them was gonna go faster than the other one did. Oh, yeah. All right, well, we're gonna check back in a little bit for round two. Round two. What are they doing?
I'm not quite sure. Well, I was about to burn out, but now you took the show away from my car.
Oh no, yours will be way cooler than mine. Yeah, it will.
I won't do a long one.
It still sounds cooler.
Yeah, the sound might be cool, but you guys, everyone cares about noise and smoke.
Dude, turbo noises is what you got.
You're about to spark, so that's all they're gonna care about.
Turbo noises is what you got. Oh, the train's coming.
Oh, no. Go stop it with Miata.
Pieces of stuff might fly off.
What?
I said pieces of tire might fly off. Just fair warning.
Hey, don't stand behind it.
Yeah, yeah, get back. You ready? Popped one. We popped her. Let's see what the damage is. Now turn the light back on. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, we got pieces of tire everywhere. Oh wow, look at that.
Bro, that one was flinging sparks before the other one even blew.
Yeah, the other one had a lot more tread on it. That one didn't blow.
Oh, it didn't?
No.
Oh, it's always just one.
Bailey said to send it, but I don't want to mess his rims up. I was like, can I pop one of your tire on one of your rims? I was like, just one, because one has more tread than the other. I don't want to mess up your rims. He was like, in all seriousness, if you pop one, fucking go for it. I was like, I don't want to mess up. He was like, don't be a bitch, dude. If you're getting content, just fucking do it.
I got a fruit donut at the house today, like when you do it, chicken taco.
Hell yeah.
You got one, you can find another one.
Oh yeah. Are you about to do a burnout? Huh? Woo! Go, Devin! Turn the light on. Yeah. Hell yeah, Devin. That was a good one. That was a real good one.
No matter what, damn green, huh?
And he's on slicks. Yeah. Dude, look at the ground. Smoking. Dude, the ground's on fire. Look at it. Hell yeah. Good job, Devin.
I guess he tried to think that spin.
Yeah, it does.
You can put RX-7 Demon. I've never done.
Oh, dude, that's great. That's a good one. All right, so check this out. Look at all this tire cord wrapped around my control arms. That's crazy. And then this is the blown up tire right here. Whoop. That's done for. I can edit it. So I'm just gonna load this, the little clips and pieces of me blowing this up, and give you a video. I'm sorry I've been slack. Hey, there's a bunch of rubber. Somebody made a rubber snowball and I put it up there and forgot about it. There's more of it here. But I'm just gonna give you a little burnout video. This is a meet we had here at Grease Monkey Garage, Easley, South Carolina. But I didn't video of all. There was a ton of people here and I didn't go around and video. I was too busy. I'm sorry. I'll definitely do it next time though. But sorry I haven't been putting more stuff out. I've got a lot of stuff I need to edit and a lot of halfway finished videos that I just can't do anything with yet until a lot of things that are in the works come into play. But as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.